Assalamu alaikum. Here we come with another video of our Noorani Qaida series, and inshallah today we will discuss the Peesh or Zama sound. In Urdu we called it Peesh, this little symbol, and in Arabic we called it Zama. So like Zabar or Fatah, it always come above the letter, and its sound is U. The special thing in this sound is that at the end you have to round your lips always. Whenever you read Peesh sound, you have to round your lips. So without any delay, we will discuss our lecture formally. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first one is U. Hamza Pesh U. The case of Hamza is a special one. How? Like in all the three cases, like Zabar, Zair, Pesh. In case of Hamza, you have to put an extra jerk. In rest of the letters, it is not allowed, but in Hamza, we have to put a little jerk. Like in case of Zabar, it's A. In case of Zair, it's E. And in case of this letter, it's U. Hamza Pesh U. Moving next. And in the rest of letters, we don't have to put an extra jerk, nor we have to put or stretch it. We have to read it softly without any jerk or stretchness. This one is Ba Pesh Bu. Ba Pesh Bu. The next one, Ta Pesh Tu. Ta Pesh Tu. Moving forward, Sa Pesh Su. Sa Pesh Su. Jim Pesh Ju. Jim Pesh Ju. Ha Pesh Hu. Put a little effort. This letter will come right from your throat. Ha Pesh Hu. Kha Pesh Khu. Kha Pesh Khu. Dal Pesh Du. Dal Pesh Du. Zal Pesh Zu. Zal Pesh Zu. Ra Pesh Ru. Ra Pesh Ru. Za Pesh Zu. This comes with a whistle. Za Pesh Zu. Sin Pesh Su. Sin Pesh Su. Sheen Pesh Shu. Sheen Pesh Shu. Swad Pesh Su. Swad Pesh Su. Dwad Pesh Du. Dwad Pesh Du. Twa Pesh Tu. Twa Pesh Tu. Dha Pesh Dhu. Dha Pesh Dhu. Ain Pesh U. Ain Pesh U. Ghain Pesh Ghu. Ghain Pesh Ghu. This one, Fa Pesh Fu. Fa Pesh Fu. Qaf Pesh Qu. Qaf Pesh Qu. This one, Kaf Pesh Ku. Kaf Pesh Ku. Lam Pesh Lu. Lam Pesh Lu. Mim Pesh Mu. Mim Pesh Mu. noon pesh nu, noon pesh nu, waw pesh wu, waw pesh wu, ha pesh hu, ha pesh hu. These two. Hamza pesh u, Hamza pesh u. And these two. Ya pesh you, Ya pesh you. Hopefully you get this lesson. So at the end, as I said in the previous lesson, that you have to master the sounds. Like when this comes, you must say quickly, it's ru. This one fu. This one is du. And another important thing, you have to differentiate between different sounds. Like these two are same sounds. The first one is ta, ta pesh tu. And second one, it's ta. Ta has a sound that is a little heavier. You have to differentiate between these two. When I talk about the sound of ta, it's tu. When I talk about the sign of twa, it's tu, tu, tu. There's a difference. Similarly, if I talk about the sound of this one, this is zu, and this is a soft sound, wu. Similarly, in the case of these two, the first one is a heavier cough, so its sound is ku, ku. And the second one, that is a lighter one, that is a sound ku, 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 ku. Hopefully this will get better when you practice it. As I always say, if you practice it, you will get it more quickly. So that's all for this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos. So Allah Hafiz, stay blessed, stay safe.